In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF document. So you can see in this folder here that I currently have this Word document, and if you want to go and convert this into a PDF for free, all you need to do is go and open up an internet browser and then head over to the website google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account in the top right hand side and then click on this square icon. You can then click on Drive. In the top left, click on New, select File Upload, and then just go and select the Word document that you want to convert. So mine's this one here. Now once it's finished uploading, you can go and click on Recents from the left hand side. You can then click on the three vertical dots next to your Word document, click on Open With and select Google Docs. Now click on File in the top left hand side, click on Download and select PDF document. You can now click on your downloads in the top right hand side of the browser, select Show in Folder, and here you'll now have your Word document that's been converted into a PDF. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.